Did you know your annoying fidgeting habit could be burning 800 extra calories every single day? Your office chair is literally trying to turn you into a statue, but your restless energy is fighting back. Every pen click activates your fingers and wrists. Leg bouncing works your calves and core simultaneously. Even hair twisting engages your shoulders and neck muscles in tiny resistance training. Research found fidgety office workers maintain 20% lower body fat than their still co-workers despite eating identical lunches. Here's the crazy part. Those small movements boost circulation better than formal exercise breaks. Your nervous energy isn't a weakness. It's a secret fitness weapon disguised as bad manners. Embrace the fidget. Your metabolism will thank you.